Welcome sa E-SKUL ng Bayan. Andito ako para samahan kayong mag-review. Tara, aral!
So now let's move on to multiplying binomials. So same concept lang ulit, multiply each term of the first binomial to all the terms in the second binomial. Ano ulit yung binomial? It's a polynomial with two terms, okay? And then, as usual, just add their products kung meron kang pwedeng i-simplify. So for example, here we have x plus 1 times x minus 4. So usually, para hindi nalilito kung may nakalimutan na terms, we use the FOIL method. Okay, so first, multiply the first terms, which is in this case, x times x. And then, yung outer terms, which is yung x and negative. And then next would be to multiply yung inner terms, itong 1 and x. And lastly, ang ating last terms, which is itong 1 and negative 4. So take note, isama nyo yung signs nila. Yung mga ito, hindi ko na sinasama kasi positive lang naman to, or plus, this one to positive din, and this one also is positive. Okay, so simplify lang natin to, multiply yung mga kailangan i-multiply, and then, simplify further, meron tayong like terms, negative 4 and x. So pwede natin siyang i-add. We will get negative 3x. So our answer is x squared minus 3x minus 4. Lahat naman ba nakasunod dito? So let's, number 1, let's have x squared plus 1 times 2x minus 16. Okay, so first terms, x squared times 2x. Okay? Outer terms, x squared times negative 16. Inner terms, that's 1 and 2x, so 1 times 2x, plus last terms, 1 times negative 16. So, simplifying this, ito magiging 2x cubed. How about the second term? Negative 16x squared or minus 16x squared. How about this one? 1 times 2x, so 2x lang yan. And 1 times negative 16, that's equal to negative 16 pa rin, or minus 16. Okay? This is our final answer. One more example before I let you answer on your own. Okay, number 2. 4y minus x times 3x minus 5y. Okay, so parang i-mental, quote-unquote, mental math na natin this time. 4y times 3x, that's equal to 4 times 3, 12, x, y. Okay, how about outer terms? 4y times negative 5y. So negative 4 times 5, that's 20, y times y, y squared. Okay, inner terms, negative x times 3x. So that's negative 3x, 1 plus 1 squared. Lastly, yung last terms natin, negative x minus or times negative 5y, sorry, that's equal to positive 5xy. Okay, so ano yung like terms natin dito? This one and this one. So pwede natin silang i-add. But first, let's copy this one. Negative 3x squared minus 20y squared. So ba't ko ito inuna? Kasi by convention, nauna yung alphabetical mo silang isusulat, kung possible. So this one, 12xy plus 5xy. I-add lang natin yung kanilang coefficient. So that's 17xy. Okay, may questions ba? Okay, answer this one. I'll give you 2 minutes again. Okay, number 1, we have z minus 9. Z minus 7. So here, pag pareho lang yung, kunwari, pareho siyang coefficient, parang may pairs ka ng like terms. Pag may pairs ka ng like terms, hindi ko alam kung alam niyo yung shortcut na ito, square mo lang sila, syempre, 7. Tapos yung middle term mo would be negative 7 times z, and then negative 9 times z, add mo lang sila together. So that's equal to negative 16z, right? Negative 9 times negative 7, that's equal to positive 63. Alright, how about number 2? 3x plus 7 times 3y plus 5. Okay, so here, multiply natin isa-isa. 3x times 3y, that's 9xy. 3x times 5, that's equal to plus 15x. Okay, inner term, 7 times 3y plus 21y. How about this one? 7 times 5, that's equal to 35. Meron bang pwedeng i-add? Wala, kasi wala naman ng like terms. Okay, number 3, xy cubed minus 2x times 4x plus 8y. Here we have xy cubed times 4x, that's equal to 4. X squared, kasi x times x, y cubed. Xy cubed times 8y cubed, that's equal to plus 8. X, y raised to 3 plus 1 or 4. Okay, how about yung inner terms? Negative 2x times positive 4x, so that's equal to negative 8x squared. Last term, negative times positive. This one should be negative 2 times 16 x, y. Okay, now let's go back to the PowerPoint to discuss yung special cases pagdating sa multiplying binomial.